Hi everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Danae Laidlaw, and I am the Marketing Program Manager for Advertise Your App with Amazon. Before we get started, there are a couple of general items that I would like to address. During this webinar, if you have any technical difficulties, for example, if the webinar is not playing or the sound is not coming in clearly, you can click the blue X button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and choose to reload the webinar. Also, turning off any ad blockers will ensure that you are able to create your ad campaign without errors. Today, I will cover the basics on Advertise Your App. This self-service advertising program is specifically built to promote your apps and drive installs across millions of Fire and Android devices. To start us off, I will give a brief overview of the program. Then I will jump right into a live demonstration and show you how to create your first ad campaign. While I do this, I encourage you to sign in to your account and create your ad campaign along with me. If you have any questions, go ahead and submit them in the Questions tab, noted by the question mark symbol in the bottom left corner of your screen. I want today's webinar to be a working session where I can help you get your ad campaigns live, answering your questions on the spot. Let's begin with, what is Advertise Your App? I have a brief video that will tell you more.
Congratulations! You've got an app you love. But how do you tell people about it? Easy. Advertise your app with Amazon, a service specifically built for developers to promote your app, create awareness, and drive installs. We do all the heavy lifting for you. Just let us know how long you want your ads to run and how much you'd like to spend. Once you submit your campaign, customers can start seeing your ad across the Amazon mobile ad network, on phones, tablets, and even Kindle Fire wake screens. And you can launch a campaign in the time it takes to watch this video. Here's how it works. First, go to the developer portal and create an account or log in. Then, go to the Promotions tab in Apps and Services and click on Advertise Your App. Choose the app you want to promote, and we automatically create your ads for you. Finally, set a campaign budget as low as $100, choose how long you want your campaign to run, and decide how much to pay each time someone clicks on your ad. That's it. Amazon puts your ad in front of millions of engaged users. When customers click on your ad, they're taken directly to the App Store to download your app. Once your campaign is running, find out how it's doing with campaign performance metrics, like the number of clicks your ad has received, conversions, and cost per acquisition. It's easy, effective, and scalable. So let us drive installs while you develop even more great apps. Or just kick back and relax. Advertise your app with Amazon. It's the best thing since your latest app.
As a quick recap, creating an ad campaign with Advertise Your App is simple because we automatically generate your ads. Fast, because you can set up your campaign in less than 90 seconds. And finally, effective in driving app installs across millions of users. Given that, let's get started on creating an ad campaign. Let's go to developer.amazon.com. Click on Amazon App Store. Then, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you want to sign in and fill in your credentials. This will take you to your Developer Console dashboard. Now click on the Apps and Services tab, and then Promotions. I'm also pasting the link in the chat box for you to click on and sign in. Click on the Advertise Your App button. To create an ad campaign, I will start by selecting the app I want to advertise. If you have multiple apps to sort through, you will be able to click in the search bar above your app list to type in the app name or ASIN. For this example, I'm going to select the Chocolate 3 app to advertise by clicking the Select button to the right of the app. Our program will automatically generate the ad creatives for you. You can review the various creative sizes by clicking on the dimensions just above the creative image, just as I am doing. Each of the creative sizes is for various devices, including the Kindle Fire wake screen. Now we will edit the campaign settings. These settings include campaign name, budget, cost per click bid, and duration of the campaign. For my budget, I'm going to put in $500. You will not be charged this amount up front. This is simply the maximum amount that you could be charged for clicks during the duration of the campaign. Note that you will only be charged as your campaign receives clicks. This means if we only deliver $100 worth of clicks, that is what you will be charged regardless of what amount is remaining in your campaign budget. Then I'm going to set my cost per click bid to 10 cents. We recommend bidding the maximum amount you are willing to pay for a click. I want to call it again that you are only charged when customers actually click your ads. You want to bid competitively to win impressions and receive maximum traffic for your ad campaigns. I would recommend a cost per click bid between 5 and 20 cents. The duration of the campaign is set by you, beginning and ending on the dates that you select. I'm going to set my campaign duration for 30 days. This is a good amount of time to test performance for your first ad. You can also set a campaign for up to 90 days in length. The minimum length is 1 week. Next, I will select Enable Google Play Support. This will allow users to download my app if they do not have the Amazon App Store installed on their device. Please double check that your Google Play package URL is correct. To view accurate install metrics from Google Play, your app will need to have the latest Amazon Ads SDK. Finally, a credit card is required to start our ad campaign. We currently accept Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Please take a minute to enter your credit card information. If your ad campaign looks good, click Submit Campaign. Your ads will start showing within 2 days. You can run up to 10 ad campaigns per app. So if you want to run multiple campaigns to test different cost per click and budgets, you can do that. Based on the performance of the campaigns, you can start to identify what works for your apps and work to optimize your advertising over time. Once your campaign starts running, you will be able to see metrics such as impressions, clicks, total conversions, spend, and eCPA. eCPA is the effective cost per acquisition, also known as cost per download or install. Please note that it takes at least 24 hours for conversions to populate in the campaign performance report. With this, we are going to move over to the live Q&A and answer your questions. If you still have questions, you can submit them in the Questions tab, noted by the question mark symbol in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Our first question is, where can my ad run? Your ads may run on the Amazon Mobile Ad Network and Amazon apps. Your ad may be shown to Android phone or tablet and Fire devices within the US, depending on your app's device compatibility. Your ad may also appear on the Kindle Fire wake screen. Can I upload my own ads or images? No, we auto-generate your ads based on the product image and information on your Amazon App Store detail page. Going through the questions, this appears to be a common one. Do I have the capability to target my ads to specific customers? Presently, we do not provide the option to target, but we are working on enabling that for the product in the near future. Can I edit a campaign while it is running? At this point in time, you cannot edit a live campaign, but we will enable this feature soon. However, if your credit card declines, you can update that credit card information to allow the campaign to continue running. Is my campaign performance spending all my budget guaranteed? We do not guarantee your campaign performance. Our ad systems will display your ads to try to help you meet your click budget, but you will only be charged when a customer clicks on your ad. This is a good question. Will you ever bill me for more than my campaign budget? No. Sometimes you will see clicks come in after the maximum campaign budget has been spent in full, but we will never charge you for over budget clicks. When will I see conversions appear in my reporting? You will start to see conversion data appear in your reporting up to 48 hours after the purchase or install occurs. For the first 24 hours your campaign is live and getting impressions, 0 conversions will be reported. But this does not mean none have occurred. The 48-hour delay is caused by the processing required to match the purchase or install to the ad view or click. Will I see LTV metrics and data on customers who download my app? No. At present, we do not integrate with any tracking services, but are working on including lifetime value metrics at a later point in time. Just a few more questions. Can I see the number of installs that come from Google Play? Yes, if you install our Mobile Ads SDK or Amazon Mobile Ads API in your app, you will be able to see the installs that come from Google Play. I'm also pasting the link to our Amazon Mobile Ads API Quick Start Guide for more information and direction. What happens if the device where my ad is shown doesn't have Amazon App Store installed? When you create your campaign, you'll be able to see and verify the correct Google Play package name for your app. Customers who do not have the Amazon App Store installed on their devices will be redirected to Google Play to download your app. In order to track conversions through the Google Play Store, you need to integrate the Mobile Ads API. If you don't select or enable Google Play support, the ad will direct the user to the app detail page on Amazon's mobile website, where they can learn more about the app and can learn how to download the Amazon App Store app. This is a good question that no one has asked that would be good for anyone interested in utilizing Advertise Your App should know. Who can advertise? Anyone who publishes apps in the Amazon App Store that meet our Amazon Creative Acceptance policies can advertise. Currently, ads are only displayed to US users. Apps can be advertised so long as they are distributable in the US. I have also pasted the link to the Creative Acceptance policy in the chat box, so you can take a better look if you have any further questions. That's all the time we have for live questions. If you have other questions about Advertise Your App, please continue to submit them to the Questions tab or click on the link that I have pasted in the chat box. Before we wrap up, here are some next steps. You'll want to go to developer.amazon.com and select Amazon App Store. You'll then need to sign in to the Amazon Developer Console. Click on the Apps and Services tab and select Promotions. You'll then create an ad campaign by clicking on the Advertise Your App button, where you'll name your ad campaign, set your budget, your cost per click bid, and the duration of your campaign. Then you'll be able to start testing ad campaigns and review results to identify performance drivers. I want to thank everyone for attending today's webinar and for all of your great questions. We will be sending a follow-up email with a link to the recording from this webinar later this week. You should now see a short survey on your screen. We would appreciate it if you could please take a moment to complete the survey, giving us feedback on today's presentation and topic suggestions for future webinars that you are interested in. As we conclude our webinar early, we will remain online and continue to answer questions via the Questions tab until our allotted time is over. On behalf of everyone on the Advertise Your App team, thank you for attending and have a great day.